Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to accept 10 numbers from the user and display their average. So we have to ask a user to enter 10 numbers and then display the average to the user. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me try to use a print function, that is to display a user friendly message. So let's say print and let's say enter 10 numbers. Let's give dot dot dot, or let's leave it as is. So now what we do is we'll be iterating from 0 to 10 and we'll be asking a user to enter numbers. So before that, so let me take a list variable and initialize it to an empty list. Let's take numbers, this is the variable, and let's initialize it to an empty list. So now we'll be taking a for loop to iterate from 0 to 10. For index in, let's take range of 10. So we'll be getting the index to display to the user. So let me take a temp variable to store whatever the user enters. So let's use the input function call and ask a user to enter, that is let's try to use string formatting and let's say hash, that is number, index plus 1 value. Yeah, so once the user enters the, that is number, so it will be of type string. So let us try to convert this into an integer. Yeah, so once we are done, so we'll be, that is having the value stored in temp. So let us try to append this to the list of numbers. So let's take numbers.append and we'll be appending the temp value. Yeah, so once we are done accepting the 10 numbers from the user, so we have to find the average. So let's take a variable average is equals to. So now what we do is we'll be trying to find the sum of all the numbers, that is let's use a built-in function and let's pass on the number. This is a iterator, that is will be performing division by 10. So this will give us the average of 10 numbers. So once we are done finding the average, so let us try to use a print function to display the average. So that is print, let's say, that is average of 10 numbers is let's give percentage point to f. So now let us try to print percentage average. Yes, so this is a complete Python program to accept 10 numbers from the user and display their average. So let me run this and let me show you how it works. So enter 10 numbers, value 1. So let's give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can see average of 10 numbers is 5.550. So you can manually calculate this using the calculator. So let me run this again. So enter 10 numbers. So let's give 12, 23, 45, 55, then again 34, let's say 11, 23, 78, 90 and 10th value let's give 10. Yeah, you can see average of 10 numbers is 38.10. So these are the 10 numbers. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept 10 numbers from the user and display their average. So I'm using built-in function over here, so you can manually try to iterate all the numbers present in the list and manually add them and then try to divide it by 10. Yeah, so I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had. Thank you for watching. Bye.